Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm great. My name is Rami. I'm Palestinian American.
Oh, Palestine. Okay.
Palestine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother. What's your name?
Noor.
Abnur. Nice to meet you, brother. I'm discovering Algeria. I'm traveling around the cities. Today I am in your city, Mr. Ghanem. I was told it's one of the most beautiful cities in Algeria. And I'm really glad you speak in English.
I'm surprised.
I found kind of difficult to find people speaking in English.
Well, the thing about this place specifically is that people are really shy.
Are you free now?
Yeah, totally.
You're free?
I just got out of a class. I have nothing to do.
Oh, you study at university?
Yeah, I study English.
Oh, very,
That's why.
very good. What's your field?
English.
You study English, brother?
I study English.
How is that even possible? Very nice, man. Oh, look at these people. What are you guys selling?
Ticket.
Oh, what is that?
Taste this.
Oh, wow, this is very good, brother. What's your name, brother?
My name is Mr. Islam.
Islam.
Third year
Wow.
language learner.
What's your name, brother?
Mohammed.
Oh, nice name. Oh, this is the best name.
I brought you to this place because you told me you're Palestinian.
Yeah.
So I wanted to share a piece of history of ours. These names are the names of the martyrs that died for our country. for our
Oh, the
cause.
people who died for Algeria.
Yeah, it was against France. And I do have family members right here. Can't
Wow,
really
man,
find them
that's
for them.
unbelievable. You have family members written in here
I
who
have
died for the country,
Died for the country.
for the freedom of Algeria.
Freedom of Algeria.
Oh, that's why I have something in here. Look at this. This is the most precious flag ever. The flag of my country. أنا جزائري صاحبي. كاميرا كاشيرك شاركت معانا. وهيليك لاكام. ربي يحفظك. مديت صورة ماشي نورمال على مستغانم على الجزائر. ربي يحفظك. I'm proud of you, man.
Come on, man.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, brother. والله غير صافي بليزير. والله غير الله يبارك. اونجلي تاعك ما شاء الله، الحضور تاعك ديت لي البلايص بزاف شابين. مثلت الجزائر ومستغانم افضل تمثيل. فينا في البروغرام حبيبي نمدوا لك هذه الهديه. كثر خيرك، تستاهل كثر. بارك الله فيك، شرفتنا.
صحة فطوركم، صحة رمضانكم وصحة عيدكم.
وكما العاده في لي كومونتير مدوا لنا الراي تاعكم على هذه الحلقه، وقولوا لنا الولايات اللي راكم حابين انا مستر بحمد نجي ليها.